Diamond Body 36 offers a consumer-grade, easy-to-apply nano-diamond coating. Our unique polymer coating will create a deep and intense candy apple shine in a single application. With proper preparation, Diamond Body 36 will yield up to 3 years of hardened hydrophobic protection for paint, rubber and metal trim. Applying Diamond Body 36. To ensure proper application, curing and enduring effect, apply Diamond Body 36 in an enclosed, well-ventilated indoor area, which is 10 to 30 degrees Celsius or 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with a humidity not exceeding 70%. In order to apply, you will need the following: fresh microfiber towels, Diamond Body Prep, our nano diamond cleaning solution, an applicator, and protective gloves. Before the application of Diamond Body 36, ensure all surfaces are free of polish or wax remnants by applying Diamond Body Prep. Then, using a microfiber towel, wipe down the surfaces to remove any and all residue left from cleaning and allow to dry completely. You are now ready to apply Diamond Body 36. Shake the bottle thoroughly for 15 seconds and then apply 15 drops on your applicator. Using even crosshatch strokes to apply Diamond Body 36 to 3 to 4 elements of the vehicle body. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, allowing Diamond Body 36 to bond to the surfaces. You'll know it's ready when the solvent evaporates and a rainbow haze appears on the painted surface. This indicates that the car has absorbed the coating and is ready for buffing to remove excess material. Polish the treated surfaces with a fresh microfiber towel to evenly spread throughout while leveling. Wait 60 minutes, allowing Diamond Body 36 to cure. Your vehicle is now protected, glossy and ready for the road. The Diamond Body 36 application assists in repelling oil, liquid and dirt and overall makes the vehicle easier to clean and care for. Diamond Body 36 protects the car from discoloration due to UV and chemical reagents. This product provides deep color depth and saturation, creating a candy apple shine that enhances the vehicle's finish and leaves a slick tactile feel. The effect of Diamond Body 36 lasts up to 3 years.